Day 299. Your life is not a fly-by-night work. For we are God's own handiwork, His workmanship, recreated in Christ Jesus, born anew, that we may do those good works which God predestined, planned beforehand for us, taking paths which He prepared ahead of time, that we should walk in them, living the good life which He prearranged and made ready for us to live. Ephesians 2:10. The Father is not building something temporary in you. He is not raising up a flash-in-the-pan life that burns brightly for a moment and then fades away. Everything He does carries eternal purpose. Many believers become discouraged because they cannot immediately see the full picture of what God is doing. Yet the Father rarely reveals the entire journey at once. Instead, He invites us to walk with Him step by step, trusting that He has already prepared the path before us. The pressure to prove yourself disappears when you realize that you are not creating your destiny. You are discovering what the Father has already planned. You do not have to manufacture significance. You don't have to convince others of your calling. You do not have to strive to become what God has already determined to produce. Your responsibility is simple. Stay responsive to Him. The Father has prepared works for you. He has prepared relationships, assignments, lessons, victories, and even seasons of hiddenness. None of it is accidental. Rest comes when you stop trying to build your own future and begin walking with the One who already knows the end from the beginning. The Father is not in a hurry. He is building something lasting, eternal. So, stay with Him.